नमस्कार दोस्तों। सिटीजन जस्टिस फोरम, ग्रीन वैलेट, एमएनएस मीडिया, अथक सेवा संघ और मेसवा के द्वारा ये जो प्लेटफॉर्म है उसमें आप सभी का स्वागत है। आज मार्केट के एनालिसिस करेंगे क्योंकि ग्लोबल मार्केट्स भी काफ़ी गिरी हुई है और हमें टेक्निकल चार्ट क्या बताता है। उसके पहले एक रिचुअल है जो आपको डिस्क्लेमर पढ़ना है। स्टॉक मार्केट इन्वेस्टमेंट ट्रेडिंग इन सिक्योरिटी मार्केट इज सब्जेक्ट टू मार्केट रिस्क। तो ये सोच समझ के आपको काम करना है। और हम चलते हैं कि पहले फ्राइडे क्लोजिंग क्या हुई ग्लोबल मार्केट्स, जिसको हम फॉलो करते हैं, दैट इज डाउ जोन्स और S&P 500। तो S&P 500 में क्या हुआ है वो एनालिसिस करने के बाद में वी विल कम टू आवर इंडियन मार्केट्स एंड वील सी नाउ वेयर वी हैव टू एंटर और हमें क्या स्ट्रेटेजी अपनाना चाहिए। क्योंकि मेरे हिसाब से जो मेरा व्यू है, जो टेक्निकल चार्ट जो बता रहा है कि वी आर इन अ डाउन ट्रेंड, वो एक पर्टिकुलर चैनल में वो मार्केट घूम रही है और वो जब तक वो चैनल से बाहर नहीं निकलती है और हायर टॉप्स और हायर बॉटम्स नहीं बनाती है तब तक द ट्रेंड इज इन अ डाउन ट्रेंड। तो लेट्स सी द ग्लोबल मार्केट। तो ये मैं investing.com की वेबसाइट यूज़ करता हूँ और थोड़ी टेक्निकल ग्लिच है, आई एम नॉट एबल टू ओपन द चार्ट। अभी हम निफ्टी S&P 500 का चार्ट देखते हैं। S&P 500 का चार्ट अगर मैं उसको फुल स्क्रीन में लेके आता हूँ, पहले ये एडवर्टीजमेंट का विंडो में बंद करता हूँ। तो अभी ये जो बेरिश कैंडल जो दो बनी है S&P 500 में, तो मंडे डेफिनेटली आवर मार्केट विल हैव अ बेरिश एंड हॉकिश सेंटिमेंट। और वैसे भी टेक्निकल चार्ट मैंने काफ़ी दिनों से बता रहा हूँ कि इट इज़ नॉट इन एन अप ट्रेंड, इट इज़ इन अ डाउन ट्रेंड। और अगर मैं चैनल ड्रॉ करता हूँ, तो अभी वॉल स्ट्रीट भी जो है S&P 500 इज मूविंग इन दिस पर्टिकुलर चैनल। ये जो पर्टिकुलर जो चैनल एक बनी है, तो इफ इट हैज़ टू गो अप इन अ बुलिश ट्रेंड, तो ये जो अपर लाइन जो बनी है ट्रेंड लाइन, उसको ब्रेक करके इट हैज़ टू मेक हायर टॉप्स एंड हायर बॉटम्स, देन ओनली हम उसको आइडेंटिफाई कर सकते हैं कि there is a change of trend and we can go bullish. Till then you should be very careful, do not invest heavily but in selected scripts। वो हम देखेंगे डिविडेंड कंपनी कौन सी है इंडिया में, और इसके साथ में हम चलते हैं इंडियन मार्केट्स की तरफ। तो अभी ये जो निफ्टी 50 का जो चार्ट है उसको मैं डेली पे लेके आता हूँ। ये मंथली चार्ट है। डेली पे आप देख रहे हो एक पर्टिकुलर इसने ट्रेंड जो बनाया है, ये ट्रेंड में ही चल रहा है, ऊपर जा रहा है देखो, और वो ट्रेंड को टच करके फिर नीचे आ रहा है। और ये जो 21 डेज की मूविंग एवरेज है उसके ऊपर प्राइस नहीं जा रही है. सो दैट इज़ वन मोर इंडिकेशन कि जो हमारी निफ्टी 50 है वो डाउन ट्रेंड में है, क्योंकि अगर अप ट्रेंड में रहना है तो उसको ऑल द कैंडल्स हैव टू बी अबाउ मूविंग एवरेज. दिस इज सिंपल मूविंग एवरेज ऑफ 21 पीरियड. इसके ऊपर रहना चाहिए. जब प्राइस इसके नीचे बंद आती है और इतनी कैंडल्स बनती है और आरएसआई भी सपोर्ट करता है उसको, आप देखोगे कि आरएसआई की जो ग्रीन लाइन है इट इज बिलो द रेड लाइन. सो दैट मीन्स देयर इज अ फॉल. इट विल कम हियर, टच दिस ट्रेंड लाइन. और अगर आपको एक कंफर्मेशन चाहिए तो व्हाट यू शुड डू इज वेट फॉर निफ्टी टू कम एट दिस लेवल. आरएसआई की जो बॉटम है अराउंड 30 आने के बाद में आप बाइंग कीजिए और 20 को टच करके देन इट विल स्टार्ट गोइंग अप. सो राइट नाउ ऑल द इंडिकेशंस, इवन अगर मैं बॉलिंजर बैंड भी लगाता हूं तो बॉलिंजर बैंड भी मुझे यही बता रहा है कि देयर इज अ डाउन ट्रेंड पॉसिबल. बॉलिंजर जो सेंटर वाली जो लाइन है उसकी 21 डे मूविंग एवरेज, उसको टच करके, हालांकि कैंडल छोटी बनी है, लेकिन अगर मैं इसको वीकली में देखता हूँ तो वीकली में हम देखते हैं कि क्या कैंडल बनती है. वीकली में ये जो बनी है इट्स अ डॉजी कैंडल. और इसका जो लो है ये बेसिंग कैंडल का रैली बेस्ड एंड रैली, और फिर यहाँ पे डॉजी बन के ये ग्रैंड कैंडल बनी है. तो देयर इज एन इंडिकेशन दैट ये लो ब्रेक हुआ है, पियर्स हुआ है. आपको अगर विजुअली देखना है तो आई जस्ट ड्रॉ वन लेवल हियर सो यू अंडरस्टैंड कि कल की जो लाइन थी, मैं इसको और जूम अप करता हूँ, it has breached this level. So there is high probability and high possibility that the market will be come down up to this level, right? So when you want to enter into the market, you should know at which level you should enter. Scripts are good, no doubt. Scripts will go up, but if you enter at a very high price and scripts starts moving down, because there is not like a lift कि आपने ग्राउंड फ्लोर का बटन दबाया और टॉप फ्लोर पे गए. नहीं, अगर ऊपर भी जाना है तो इट गोज लाइक ए स्टेयरकेस. एक आप फर्स्ट फ्लाइट लिए, देन देयर इज अ लैंडिंग, यू वॉक बट द वर्टिकल, देन यू वॉक हॉरिजॉन्टल एंड देन यू वॉक वर्टिकल. सो सिमिलरली स्टॉक मार्केट के अंदर भी इट इज नॉट अ वन वे डाउन और वन वे अप. देर आर हर्डल्स. नाउ इसके साथ में लेट्स सी हम बैंक निफ्टी को देखते हैं कि बैंक निफ्टी में क्या. बैंक निफ्टी में भी ये जो वीकली कैंडल बनी है बहुत ही बेरिश कैंडल बनी है. क्लोजिंग 21 डे के मूविंग एवरेज के नीचे है और आरएसआई भी आप देख रहे हो, इट इज क्रॉसिंग द रेड लाइन एंड गोइंग डाउन. सो बैंक निफ्टी में भी कोई रिकवरी का सवाल नहीं आता है. वी गो टू द डेली चार्ट. आप डेली चार्ट में देखो कि एक दिन, दिस वॉज थर्सडे, ग्रीन कैंडल बनाया. नेक्स्ट डे जो जितना ग्रीन कैंडल ने प्राइस ऊपर लेके गया था फ्रॉम द ओपनिंग, उसके नीचे यानी गैप डाउन खुला और इट फॉल्ड फर्दर. तो बैंक निफ्टी इट्स इन अ वेरी बेरिश चार्ट. सो I will not advise you to enter into Bank Nifty at this level, but if you want, I can give you some shorting level where you can plan your trade. If you are good in future, then you can plan your trade to short, and then when you sell, you can buy again. So अगर in case if Nifty opens up here at this level, what you should do is sell, और थोड़ा नीचे गैप डाउन आके then it will start again coming up. So if it comes at this level, आप इसको यहाँ पे सेल करेंगे. You will sell at this level, and in case there is a probability if it doesn't go in your favor, so just above the high of that day it will be our stop loss and target can be somewhere below this. So you are making almost 2 is to 1 is to 2.41. It's a good risk reward ratio in a day's time. So if you are losing, you will be losing around 7,000 rupees and 300 rupees, and if you are making, then you will be making 17,500. So the choice is yours because the stop loss is bigger, but you can still fine tune it to 5 minutes. But this is an overall indication that the markets are going to be bearish. This is a 25 lot script. This is the bank nifty. So if your loss is around say 4,000 rupees and your profit will be around 10,000 rupees. So it is almost, you are losing 1 rupee to make a profit of 2 rupees 40 paisa. Now there are many scripts, where we can look for a buying opportunity in this falling market. I will go to the first. Let us see which are the sectors which has outperformed, right? So if I see only India VIX is going up, let's see India VIX chart. This is a 15-minute chart, but I will go to a daily chart. Now India VIX is high is here. And the low is here, right? So where is the India VIX? Right at the bottom, and it will go up. The moment India VIX starts going up, our markets are going to fall. So from here, possibility of India VIX going down is very less, but chances of India VIX going up is very high, because when it touches the lower end, it stays there for some time and then it goes up, then it reaches the center line, then it starts going up. So this is how you should know the characteristics of each of the script or the sectors or the indices. Now if you see, even the RSI is giving a signal that India VIX is going up, right? So I should not see. Now if you see here, I draw a vertical line so that you can understand. This is a vertical line. Now when it has fallen down and touched the lower Bollinger Band, the RSI green line was quite below. And now when it has touched again low, on this candle, if you see, the RSI is above the previous candle. So that means it is giving me a signal. There is a negative divergence in RSI. It is giving me a signal that India VIX is going to go up. The moment India VIX goes up, our markets are going to go down. So this is one way of doing the technical analysis. And I'm going little slow because I get phone calls that if you are very fast, we are not able to pop up. So bear with me. So only India VIX is positive red, all other sectors are negative. Now in this scenario, what we should do is, which is the falling? Nifty bank is falling, Nifty private bank is falling, Nifty pharma is falling, that is also a bad sign. Nifty health sector is falling, Nifty service sector is falling, the Nifty is falling. So all these sectors are in negative. Now in this scenario, if you want to invest something, so you should see, this is all the scripts which I have marked here, or they are all dividend paying company. So if you invest every year or every 6 months, you are going to get some dividend out of the company, because these are all profit making companies. Now which companies are positive in the dividend making company? One is SY International. Then I'm not tracking this SY International, but I'm tracking Colgate Palmolive. So I'll open the chart of Colgate Palmolive. See, now the Colgate Palmolive has given me a signal, this very big bullish candle. Now the chances of Colgate going up is very high. If I see the high which has recently made by the Colgate few months back is somewhere here at around 1806, and now we are getting at 1602, and it's a dividend paying company. But if you want to invest, I will just go to the timeline to see that where we can invest. Yeah. So 15 minutes, this is a very big bullish candle. I'm not getting anything here. So let me find out some other time frame where I can enter. So let me go to the 10-minute, 5-minute. Okay, in 5-minute, I can enter here at this level at 1583. So what you should do is, if you are working somewhere, it is only 30 to 45 minutes a day, that is 5 days a week. You have to give time to the stock market and you can start making money. That's it. 3 to 4 hours in a week. So what I will do is, for educational purpose, I will put the orders with the help of Sherkan Tracker, which is taking after hours market orders. What I will do is, my entry will be here. This is, I'm planning for a long term, right? And my stop loss will be somewhere here, and my target will be 1800, which will not come in the screen, but no, it will not come. But what I can do is, I can place an order for 1584. This is only for educational purpose. I will buy 5 shares. It is an investment, no bracket order, because once I get it, buy it, then on the closing basis I will trail my stop loss. So 1584, I'll buy 5 shares, and I can put the date here that my order is valid till 23rd May. So I'm placing the order, and here it is. My order has been placed. So as and when the market opens on Monday, if the price comes to 1584, it will get executed, right? And if you want to check, what we can do is, I can go to the orders, pending orders. Yes, it shows normal limit order is there, means if it comes at 1584, then only 5 shares will be purchased, otherwise not. So this is how you can start trading and investing. Then second is ITC. I'm not following or tracking Reddington, so what I'm not following, I should not reach you. So but I'm keeping a track of ITC. So let's see in ITC. We'll go to the daily chart. Yeah. Now daily chart, can you see the channel of ITC? I'll make a dark these lines for you so you can understand. See, it is making a channel which is going upside. So ITC in a downtrend market is going up. So what I should do in ITC? When everybody is selling, everybody is scared, yes, I should be bold enough to enter into ITC. Even the 21-day moving average, the price is above the moving average, and it is just touched. So in ITC, I can go long. So I'll fine tune it to 15 days, 15 minutes, 5 minutes chart. Yes, this is where I can enter into the ITC. So what I will do is, for the safe side, this will be my entry point 260.20, and my stop loss will be somewhere here, and the target can be, around 274 in a short time. But I am very bullish on the ITC, and for your educational purpose, I'll place an order here. This is an investment. I don't want to go for a bracket order because I am going for a long-term investment. So on a closing basis, day to day, if it closes below one candle, bullish candle, then I will exit from the trade. So now what I'm doing is, I'm buying here 10 shares of ITC, and my trade will be valid till 23rd May. So as and when the price comes till 23rd May, my trade will be executed, and I'm placing the order. Yes, this is the confirmation. Now this is all for buying. Now let's see what we can sell in the dividend paying company. National Aluminum, Hindustan Lever, these are all Torrent Power, Coal India, VDL, Infi, Petronet, Tata Steel, India Bulls Finance, NMDC. These are all negative, although they are paying dividend. So let's see in National Aluminum, are we getting any opportunity to short sell? So let me go to the daily chart. This is my daily chart. Yes, what does my daily chart says? It is in a sideways. It is in a sideways. This is sideways. I'll just draw for you. See, it is moving in this range only, right? Then gone up, come down, touched here, then it went up and then touched here. So National Aluminum, still there is a scope of going down. I will put the Bollinger Band. So I'll come to know how much down it can go further. I'll change the settings so that if you are watching on a mobile or on an iPad, you can see it clearly. So now it has touched the Bollinger Band. So I will not advise you to sell it here, but if it gives you a jump, if it bounces back, then you can think of shorting at some good level. But I'm not able to find some good level. Let me find out some other time frame where I can see a big red candle, bearish candle. No. So it is a shorting candidate, but I'm not getting any good levels where I can, give you that you can go for a short. Now let's see in Coal India if you're getting any shorting opportunity. Sell first, because normally what happens, people teach you to buy. They don't teach you when to sell. And stock market is all about selling your stocks at the right time and buying the stocks at the right time. But everyone will say buy, but nobody will say sell. So I am the one who will insist that you should learn how to sell, when to sell, and start making money. Only buying in stock markets at any level is not going to fetch you good returns. So it has to be that you buy at a very good level to make money, or else you lose money, or you have to wait for decades to come, let's say, to that particular price where you have bought, the astronomical price, right? So here there is an opportunity of this share going up, but I can look for an opportunity here. But it has already touched and has come down. So there is very less chances that you can enter into this trade. Let me find out in Tata Steel. See, Tata Steel also, if I take the 45-minute chart, it is still going down. It's in a downtrend. Let me see in daily. See, daily, it has touched the lower Bollinger Band. So there is a chances that it will bounce back from here, right? So once it bounces back, you should look for an opportunity to short this script. Let me see if I can find out something on a 15-minute chart where we can short Tata Steel. Yes, we can. So this is the level. So this is the level where we can mark to short, and this will be my stop loss about this week, and target can be anywhere here. It's in downtrend, so I'm almost getting 1:3 ratio. So what I will do is this, I will put a bracket order exactly, and I can change this into a big trade. So my margin is less, but I'm not going to short 232 or whatever my risk reward ratio permits, but this is only for educational purpose. So I will short only 50 shares of Tata Steels at this level, and it is good for the day. So Monday when it opens, when it comes to this level, my trade will be executed, and if it is not in my favor, if it goes above this 21 period moving average and breaches this line, I'll be stopped out. So if I'm selling 50 shares, what will be my loss? 20 and 322 rupees. But if I'm making a profit, I'll be making a profit of 650 rupees. So this is how you have to trade or invest in stock market. Otherwise you lose money. So your entry and exit point and the target point has to be defined right from the beginning. So I'll place the order, I'll say confirm, yes. So tomorrow or Monday, sorry. Now I want to show you something, is that what is uptrend. Now can you see this slide? This shows you that this is an uptrend, it's going up. The valley is touching this trend line and then it's making a new high. There is a new peak formed. Then again the valley comes down, it touches this trend line and again it goes up. And it was a sideways for quite some time and then it's going down. So this you have to identify. Now I'll tell you how to identify. Now if you open Nifty chart, Bank Nifty chart, you will see that they are making a peak and then a lower valley, lower valley. This is lower bottom, lower top, lower bottom, lower top. So until and unless it doesn't make higher top, higher bottom, higher top, higher bottom. The trend is still in a downtrend. So to change, if you want to be bullish and you want to enter into a bullish trade, or you want to buy and then sell, then the trend has to change. Now I'll show you how. Now this, I am putting an arrow here. I'm touching this peak and it's going up, right? I'll make it dark so that you all can see it. Can you all see this? Now this form, until and unless we don't see this formation, the Nifty, Bank Nifty or the stock market with selective scripts like Colgate Palmolive or few scripts will be bullish. Otherwise all the market, say 90% of the market will be bearish. It will go down. So we have to wait for this type of formation. This is called higher top, that peak, then again that higher top, then higher bottom here, higher bottom here. Then only you can identify the trend is in an uptrend, right? Right now, if you see, we are forming a peak which is lower than the previous peak, the valley which is lower than the previous peak. So there are lower bottom, lower tops, lower bottoms and lower tops, giving me an indication that Nifty and Bank Nifty is in a downtrend. With this, I am going to end this session and we'll see you again maybe Friday evening or next Saturday. I hope you like this video, and if you're watching it for the first time, kindly subscribe and click the bell icon so whenever I upload a video or whenever I go live, you get a notification and you can join the video. And Citizen Justice Forum has a vision, you know, by December 2022, we want to touch the life of 1 lakh families of India. We want to empower the citizen socially, legally and financially. This is a part, you know, I have come across many individuals who invest in the stock market, although the script is fundamentally good, but they buy at a very high price when it is a time to sell. And when it is a time to sell and you buy, what happens? You make a loss if you exit, or you have to wait for 2 to 3 years again for that script to come back to the original price or the price what you have purchased. So this is a cycle. So you have to understand the cycle, that why I should enter. Now if you want to enter into any stocks, now let's, for example, I'll go to the share market chart again and I'll tell you, suppose NTPC, now I'll take a very good share, say Hero MotoCorp. Everybody knows Hero MotoCorp, right? So if I want to buy this stock, what I should do is, this is a daily chart, right? So daily chart, what it says, that it is in a bottom. On a daily chart it is going down, but if I am a prudent investor and I want to trade professionally, so I will go on a monthly chart. Well, I will see the monthly bottom. Where the monthly bottom is? Monthly bottom I will find somewhere here in this 2 candles, right? So it is coming near to this candle, and if you see the Bollinger Band also, it is overstretched on the lower band. So this is the right time to enter into Hero MotoCorp 2294. Then what I'll do is, I have identified that this is a monthly level from where the prices had gone up, right? But it has not breached the all-time high. The all-time high was somewhere here, say 4,000, and it was in a downtrend. If I will draw a trend line here, right? So it was in a downtrend, then it broke the trend line and it went up, but it didn't, the trend was not strong to come to the previous all-time high. Then again it has come down. So what I will do is, I will break this now monthly chart into a weekly chart. Yes, in weekly chart, what I can do is I can look for a level where I can enter, So I will wait for the price. So in the daily also, if I see the lower band, it has touched the lower band and it is going up, and it is still has a room to come to this level. So my level, if I want to buy Hero MotoCorp for a long time investment, I will buy somewhere here, not where. And see if on the daily chart also, as I showed you the trend, the trend is clearly in a downtrend. Are you getting my point? If you want, I'll make this line also a darker one so that you can see it properly on your iPad or on your mobile. This is, I have saved. So this is your downtrend. And I'll show you something. Now, can you see this channel? It is moving in this channel, right? If it has to go up, it has to break this channel, but I will buy at this level. So what is the scope? If I buy at 1900, the scope it is going to go to 4000 is much higher. From 1900, it cannot go to zero, Hero Motor Company. And maximum, my stop loss will be, as I'm entering here, my stop will be somewhere here. Right? But chance, you just see that what loss I'll be making and what type of profit I'll be making. Means if it goes in 2 years time to 4000 rupees, I'll double my capital. So this is how you have to plan. This is how you have to identify your entry points, exit points, and stop loss. So as a prudent investor, this is a technical view, and if you want to take advice from a SEBI registered financial advisor, you are free to do so, and you should do it. This is a technical view that from where you can identify the turning point of the market or of the script. I hope you understand, and once again, do subscribe to our channel, and if you like it and it was any beneficial to you, please share with your contacts. And what our vision is to have a 1 lakh family of India, the citizen of 1 lakh family of India should be empowered by December 2022. So see you again on Monday, and definitely on next Saturday with one more topic and one more expert. Thank you and have a nice day.